So hello and welcome on my video. I'm gonna show you how to have a split screen on Motorola Moto 8 Plus. So I'm here on YouTube, and what you have to do, you have to press this button, a square one, right? So you can see we are like in a drawer, so you can see I have other apps open, and what you have to do is to press this icon on top, right? Just this icon, not the app, because if you press the app, it's gonna go back to app. So let's say you want to have a split screen, which means you want to work on two screens. So you press it, hold it, and as you can see, you have an option to split screen. Okay, but not all apps support that, because as you can see on the speed test, there's no option for the split screen. So for example, I will go to YouTube, press the split screen. As you can see, I have a split screen. So go back. So that's how how you can do it. Like I said, not all apps support split screen. YouTube supports it. I think others, you will have to check on Motorola if you have it. If you have the Motorola, you can check which apps support split screen and which not. And that's actually it. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please like it and subscribe it and share it. And thank you, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.